almost 2 p.m. na. Breakfast lang kami sa bahay, kaya we're a little bit starving na. Hello guys, ito nakapag-park na kami sa Metro Town. So we are walking na papunta kung saan yung Pinoy Festival area. So Japadog. Someone's really hungry now. We're going to Filipino Festival. Wait, we're gonna eat there. We're gonna have a lot of food there. Yan, Japadog niya daw. Yan ang Metro Town Mall, guys. It's been a while since the last time I was here. Ay, yung Sky Train. Ang daming tao. Nakakamiss yung Sky Train at saka sakay ng bus. Anyways. Last year, guys, dito yung banda eh. Yan yung banda. We were actually expecting this is gonna be right there. But then, parang sabi ko, parang ang tahimik. Yun pala when I double check the address. Okay, mali pala ako. So we need to go a bit further. Diyan yun eh. Yun. May stage pa nga dyan, oh. May stage. Ayan, dyan yun last year. Nandito tayo sa Patterson Station. Hindi ko alam kung gano'ng kalayo yung venue nila ngayon. Dati doon lang malapit sa Metro Town Mall eh. Ayun. Layo-layo pala. Ayun na, gutom na talaga yung isa. Oh. Ayan na. Lapit na kami. Maraming gutom na, guys. Oh my goodness. Mas malaki yung space dito compare last year dun sa kabila eh. Yay, we're here na. Tao. Let's find the hapag, babe, because that's where Apple is. Ang tanong, saan kaya dito yung hapag? Oh my God! One sec, I'm gonna call her. But yeah, she's there behind the stadium, guys. Yung mga pagkain daw nandun. Oh lala. That's so cute. I can smell barbecue. Oh my goodness. Ang cute naman nila. I want here Pampanga. Apple is in hapag. Let's find the hapag. She said just right beside Pampanga, so
you don't need to bring the whole
somewhere there.
right?
There, I can see her. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Casey. Good to see you again. Yeah.
It's been a while.
I missed you in a while.
He's wearing orange shirt.
Oh my God. Ang haba ng mga pila dito. Paano kaya kami makakain dito? Okay guys, may kanya-kanya kaming pila. Si Apple somewhere dun sa hapag. Hindi ko lang kung makita nyo. Tapos si Habi doon sa Pampanga. Pampanga yung pinipilahan niya. Eto. And ako naman dito sa StreetFoods. Ayan, Fiesta StreetFoods daw. May isaw kasi eh. Ayan, so ganyan po kahaba ang pila ng mga pagkain dito ngayon. Ayan, malapit na ako. Ayan yung dalawa. Nagdi-discussion pa ng i-order kasi malapit na din si Havis. They're discussing what to order. Yes! What do you want? That's the street food I'm talking about. Ako kasi yung ano yung isaw. I'll get 2 combo 2. To go. So sisig and the skewer?
1 sisig and skewer.
Yeah, 2 orders please with 2 combo.
If it's a skewers, for a combo 2, we put 2 sticks.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Ito yung gusto ko. Barbecue. Ihaw-ihaw. Wala nga lang chicken isaw pero okay lang. Sumbong kita kay...
Girl, sold out.
Sold out? Ah, no. More than X, no? More than X. Ano talaga?
Ate, may ani na ba niyan? Ng isaw?
Last na.
Meron ka ba ba yung ears?
Meron pa.
Meron ka ba?
Yun, meron pa pala eh. Kinabahan. Kinabahan talaga kasi o-order daw ng marami. Yung dalawang gutom na. Hindi ko alam. Wala na yung tenga.
Ate, wala nang tenga. Marami ba pong tenga?
Ay, marami pa, ate. Marami pa.
Huwag ka magbiro, ate, sa gutom.
Gutom na.
Gutom na gutom.
Natatamad
Baka
naman.
lumabas na si Mufasa.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Ay, ate, magkano yung lumpia?
Yay! Thank you, ate. Sarap. Oh, thank you po. Yay! Oh, yung drinks! Bon appetit! Finally, makain na. Dito kami sa taas. Andun po banda yung program. Yung stage pala. Dun banda yung stage. So,
Thank you, sir. I love you too. Lalaki. Bakit umiiyak ka? No, why are you crying?
A few moments later.
hey guys, we're now here in Santacruzan. Yes, say hello to my vlog.
Hello to your vlog.
Yes, we just started our vlog. Yes, so dito po kami ngayon sa Science World. So it's almost 9 o'clock. We're actually waiting for the drone show. Oh, ang daming tao dun banda.
There's my drones. Almost there. Oh, define this one.
Look, they're gonna do it right. Four, three, two, one. For sure this Sunday. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah. Ah. Good night. Aww. Let's go to sleep. They're going home na. Thank you. Bye. That's it. Hey guys, that's it for today's event. So we're done watching the drone show.
Time to drive back home.
Time to drive back home. Yeah, long drive ahead of us. It's actually past 10. Is it past 10 already?
Yeah, it's almost 10:30.
It's almost 10:30 guys. Yeah, ito yung view na, pag sa gabi. So alam ko nakikita nyo pa ako, but bye na, we're gonna go home na. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.